Let's create or update your company information. We'll start by going to the Gear tab in the upper right corner. In the first column, select Account and Settings. We're going to use the pencil icons on the right to edit each section. Let's start with company name. Here you can input a photo, legal name, and tax number. Save to update your information. Company types include a drop-down with all available business structures. As you can see, most of this is just boilerplate. When finished, select Done. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you leave a comment, I will do my best to respond.